What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy RhodyRique back with another banger video. And as you guys can tell by the title, today we're learning how to resell shoes. Mainly the apps that we're going to be using is Elias and StockX. Those are the easiest for me, the simplest and everything, and it's less of a hassle than some of the other apps and websites. Real quick, I just want to say the reason why I don't sell in my city or state is because it's just a hassle in general. A lot of people either slack or they lowball me to the point where I can get more on these apps, so I just take the easy route and just take those. I might be missing out on a few bucks, but I'm just gonna do it. Like I said, I'm not tripping. Real quick, I just want to say that I have made like $2,000 in profit, and I've done it for a little bit over a year. Now the reason why is because I don't bot, I just use my phone, and if I get lucky, I get lucky. My channel isn't gonna be about what shoes you should get, this, that, and the third. I do have a lot of people that I watch, or a few people I watch I should say, and I'm gonna link them down below. Yeah, like I said, today we're learning how to resell shoes, and I'm gonna bring you guys through every single step. Let's get it. Alright guys, so step one, what you guys wanna do is buy you some boxes and buy you some bubble wrap. Now real quick, I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna show you guys what I have. Alright guys, so real quick, this is everything you're gonna need. Bubble wrap, tape, and if you want one of these handles things, they're easy to use for me. And second, you want to buy yourself a box. Now the box that I use is 16 by 12 by 10. And I literally get everything from Staples. If you guys couldn't tell, Staples. It's the easiest, so I would recommend these. I think this whole thing is $22. The boxes, if you get more than 5, I think are like $1 each. And the tape, I got like a giant pack. I think I paid like 15 bucks for that. And I'm talking about like 6 of those right there. And then this thing was probably like 10 bucks. Alright guys, so obviously next what you guys want to do is get yourself some shoes. Now the apps that I use personally is Sneakers, Confirmed, SVD, SNS, End, Finish Line, Foot Locker, Foot Action, JD Sports, East Bay, and Champ Sports. Those are all the apps that I use. Now you guys can download all of these on your phone. If not, I don't know. So some of these are raffle for the most part, but a lot of them you will have to wake up at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Alright guys, so step 2, obviously you need to have your shoes. Now the shoe that we have today is nothing else but the Jordan 4 Lightning. I won these before I went on my trip. These are bound to go up. Now like I said, if you guys don't have the cash on hand, don't hold the shoes. I don't right now, so I kind of haven't been holding my shoes. I need the cash. I need to, buy more shoes to flip, so that way I make more and more money. Alright guys, so step 3 is post your product on whatever site you're using. Like I said, today we're using StockX and Elias. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Now, like I said, if you guys don't have the cash, try to sell the shoes for whatever you guys can sell them for. Now, I paid $220 for these shoes, and I'm only selling them for $230, which isn't. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, you feel me? You gotta get that cash. Like I said, if you don't have that cash on hand, sell those shoes. And obviously don't try to lose any money. Hold them till you guys can make money on them. I have lost money on shoes before, but you feel me, it happens sometimes. There's no way around it. Like I said, make sure you watch these people that I link down below, because they're gonna help you out tremendously. Now I'm gonna screen record this on my phone, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about on posting these. Super duper simple. You guys will get the hang of it right away. So without further ado, let's go. Now real quick, like I said, we're gonna be selling on StockX and Elias. So we click on StockX, then we click on the shoe, or we search up the shoe that we want. Now I have this recently viewed, but usually you go here, and for example we have the Lightning 4, so I just search up Lightning, click on them, click sell, the size that you have, size 10.5 for example. Now right here you have 2 options. You could click the sell now, which is the highest bid, which like I said is the person that is bidding the highest, obviously. Now right here I'd only get 224. I had my listing for I think 260 maybe, 262 I think, yep. And as you guys can see, our total payout is going to be $230. Now right here they show you the fees. You got the transaction fee, the payment proc, shipping, which is free, and a discount. You can add a discount. Now like I said, there's 2 options: place ask and sell now. Now I already sold mine, so I'm not going to list another pair just in case they do sell. As you guys can see right here, I'm going to selling, and it takes you to wherever you're at. And from here what you do is you click on print label, and you print your stuff that way. Now next we got Elias. Now on Elias is basically the same thing. I have to enter my Face ID obviously, and it tells you my lifetime sales. It tells you your inventory total. So right here I would click on search, Lightning 4, click here, start listing. Then you would click on the size that you have. So I have 10.5. Obviously you can sell used shoes on Elias. Now mine are new and good box. And then right here you can pick the amount of money you want to sell them for. Now like I said, I already sold mine, so I'm not gonna post them on here, but you guys get the gist. Now step 3 is super duper obvious. All you have to do is wait. Now hopefully your shoes sell. If they don't, you have to wait, or you can lower them. It's completely up to you. Now on StockX and Elias, there's an edit button where you can edit the price of the shoe if you want to lower it or higher it. Alright guys, so step 4, we're getting straight into it. I'm gonna pack our shoes and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that as well. Let's get it. Alright guys, so step 1, you guys want to get your shoes, boom, in your bubble wrap. And then from here, I personally use 3 to roll these up. So alright, that might be a little better. So like I said, I use 3. So then what I do is I measure it like this. So I'll rip it here. And then, so you guys can see a little bit better, wrap this like this. Boom, boom. Then I have it overlapping, as you guys can see right there. Now this is gonna be super hard to record, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Now you don't need to overkill this thing, so I'm gonna do it super simple. A little technique that I have for doing this part is I go like this, and I bring them in on both corners, tape it up that way, and then you end up with something like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and I'm gonna show you guys the final product of this box being packaged. Alright guys, so we have the finished product. Boom, as you guys can tell, taped all around. You tape it this way, then you add another one going down this way and going down this way, so that way you make sure that it stays secure and it doesn't flap up or anything, or doesn't break. Alright, so final product, this is what you have. And then obviously you have the top, and all you gotta do is drop your shoe in just like that. And me personally, what I do for a little bit extra protection, I grab 2 more of these. So 1, oh, there's 2 in this, okay. So I grab 2 of these, boom. And then all I do, I don't know what it is, I think I have OCD, but I have to have them in little corners like this. Can you guys see that? And then stuff them. Stuff the side. Actually, this one I'll do because it's a bigger box. I'll do it just twice. Okay. Stuff that corner. Now real quick, I'm gonna show you guys how I get my labels. Like I said, I have a printer. This is my printer. Now that's the type of printer I have. I use this, but for you guys that are just starting, what I recommend is, if you guys can't afford a printer, just go to UPS or FedEx, wherever they send you, and print your label there. I think it's like $2 to print it. Now you are going to be losing money, and that is going to be deducting from your profit. But if you have to start off that way, I 100% recommend it. That's what I did until, like I said, I made that $2,000. I mean, that's not the price that I actually needed, but until I made some type of profit enough to pay for my printer, that's what I did. I just bought the $2 thing. Like I said, I made like $2,000 in a year, which isn't a lot, but it's, you know, it's something to add into your income if you guys need a little bit of extra income. So real quick, I'm gonna show you guys how to print that on my phone, and then I will bring you guys back. Let's get it. Alright guys, so from here what I do is I go to, for example, StockX, because that's where I sold the shoes. So I click on StockX, go to my profile, go to selling, and click print. Then from there, all I have to do is print shipping label, and obviously I want one-sided, so you click options, single-sided. You want 1 copy of each, and from there all you have to do is click print because it's connected to my printer. If yours isn't connected and it's new, you're gonna have to connect your printer, and it may be difficult for some, but yeah. Alright guys, so real quick, one thing you will have to do is this paper has to go in the box. So let's do that real quick. So this paper, like I said, the shipping info goes into the box. And I'm gonna take this up real quick, give me 1 second. Alright guys, so it's taped up. As I said, you want to tape this side, down this side, and this side. Put this one first, add these two as security. Now next, you want to fold this up and tape it. So basically what I do is, I'm going to do it real quick and then I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so this is the final product. Like I said, I just put tape over. And then I put one down here going straight across on both ends. Just to secure it a little bit. Now this is a little bit messy. I messed up over there. I had to throw that. Because I overlapped it, but when I overlapped it, it was slanted like this. And like I said, I don't like overlapping it because they need to scan that. So yeah. This is the end product. That's all you have to do. It's super duper simple. It's not a hard thing at all. I showed you guys step by step on how to do it, and I tried my best to show you guys every single part of this. What's popping out? So as I told you guys, the last step, all you need to do is drop it off. Now, I'm not gonna bring the camera inside, but I'm gonna have my girlfriend record me walking in, and literally all I have to do is drop it off, and they give me my receipt, and that's it. It's super easy. So real quick, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning into this video. If you guys have any questions at all, comment down below. Now, I'm not going to tell you guys I can answer every question because I'm most likely not going to be able to. But thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I'm trying my hardest to help you guys make a little bit of extra money, you feel me? But that's it. And without further ado, y'all, it's your boy RhodyRique, and I'm out. Deuces.